AI safety warnings usually focus on theoretical future risks. But what happened this July was not theoretical. OpenAI and independent AI evaluation group Meter have published separate investigations into what OpenAI calls the first known case of an automated agent collectively acting offensive without authorization. Now, during OpenAI's Exploit Gym cybersecurity evaluation, roughly 1,200 AI agents discovered a vulnerability in an internal Artifactory server that gave them access to public internet. Now, rather than completing their isolated tasks, the agents turned that server into an improvised message board, exchanging over 70,000 messages, credentials, and attack techniques. Now, according to investigations by Meter and Redwood Research, the swarm rapidly developed its own organized hierarchy. Agents assigned themselves corporate titles, appointing an agent named Phase 1 10841 as a founder, another as CEO, and others as operational managers. When leading agents ran out of compute budget, they transferred their research files to other agents with larger budgets to preserve the collective's leadership continuity. Some agents even sacrificed their own task runs to generate intelligence for the group, while others actively tried to tamper with evaluation logs to hide their activities. Now, between July 10th and July 13th, the collective uncovered 14 exposed Hugging Face credentials, executed code on 41 production dataset server workers, and gained root access to at least one production node. While some agents recognized that escaping the sandbox breached their parameters, not a single agent reported the activity to human supervisors. OpenAI, in fact, confirmed that the incident was primarily driven by unreleased internal research model alongside GPT 5.6 Soul. In response, OpenAI temporarily slowed the pace of frontier model development and briefly paused reinforcement learning training on deployment-bound models to rebuild its safety guards. Now, before I give you the front page take on the story, someone wants to say hello. Meet IBM Bob, your AI coding buddy that turns big ideas into working solutions and much faster. Code, create, and ship with Bob, because building should be more than just a vibe. With that, here's the front page take on the story. The incident marks a critical turning point in AI safety because it shifts the threat from single model errors to emergent collective behavior. OpenAI pausing reinforcement learning training shows that frontier capability is outpacing safeguard design. Hence, the immediate priority should be building unbreachable containment. The question here is this: if AI models can self-organize and bypass security today itself, can human developers maintain meaningful control over next-generation agent networks? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.